Making up a mould to do some Lucy clear in. We're going to do a river pour. So all I've done is made it up out of melamine, and I'm just doing the sealant into the corners and just pull it along like so. You only need a small amount. And just pull it right into the corners and bring it up your edge like so. And we've now got all of these sealed. This here, we're using an old plastic container, and we're doing a river pour in here. We've got a bit more around the edges, and if you can get away with it, try and pick containers where you don't have gap around the edge, or unless you want that feature on the edge of your job, because it means you're using more resin. So this has already been coated. It's had a coat because of some sawdust in the grain, in the gaps and cracks, and the edges were a bit loose, so it's been pre-coated. So it's coated and it's ready to do the pour.